I'm gonna just wait on your supervisor. May I have your, one more question? May I have your name and badge number? Name and badge number, please.
My name's Counts. I've already introduced myself when I walked up here.
All right. Thank you for all your information, sir. Now, at this point, I'll use my Fifth Amendment.
Welcome back to Audit the Law. Today's video is coming to you from the channel Lazy Boy. Now, this video is yet another traffic stop where a deputy seems to be making it up on the spot. This video is taking place in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and it involves the Tulsa Sheriff's office. The man in the video was driving home after tending to a family matter and was pulled over. The main theme of this video is going to be whether or not an officer has to tell you the reason for the stop. Also, we will be going over the deputy's behavior and his lack of professionalism. So without taking up any more of your time, let's get into the video.
Morning, I'm Deputy Counsel, Sheriff's Office. Have your driver's license, proof of insurance.
May I ask why I'm being pulled over?
Yeah, get your driver's license. We'll get to that.
Sir, may I ask why I'm being pulled over?
Provide a driver's license.
I have everything right here, man.
Good.
May I ask why I'm being pulled over?
ID yourself, and then we'll get to that.
May I ask why I'm being pulled over, sir?
Yes, I've told you 3 times now. Once I have your ID, we will get to the reason for
But I need to know why I'm being pulled over, sir.
You've asked a question, I've answered it 3 times.
No, that's not answering. That's avoiding the answer, because I have the right to know why I'm being pulled over, because I followed every law.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, sir. The driver's license is right here. My insurance is right here.
Driver's license to me, so I have ID'd you, and then I will talk about.
I just want to know why I'm being pulled over. That's it.
Okay.
Can we have a white shirt? Can we have a white shirt?
Huh?
Can we have a white shirt?
A white shirt?
A one above you? Yes.
Would you like a?
You're higher up. Yes, a white shirt. Can we have one?
Yeah.
Can we have a? Can you please call him?
Yeah. After
please
I ID'd you, I'll
can
call
you
the supervisor.
please call him?
And I'm gonna
He won't give me my white shirt. He won't give me the supervisor.
You stopped on a traffic stop. You were required to ID yourself.
Yes, and I will give you my ID once I know why I'm being.
ID yourself. But the ID you have in your hand.
Can I have a white? Can I have a white shirt, sir?
Yes, you can have a supervisor.
Can you please call your supervisor? I asked for a supervisor. He won't call a supervisor. He won't call a supervisor. I need a supervisor because I'm asking for why I'm being pulled over. He won't give me a reason why. I just want a white shirt. Can I have? Yes, I do, and I want to know why I'm being pulled over because I followed every traffic law, and I seen you sitting there. I've been recording since I've been driving, since I've been walking out the building. I already know it because you guys always mess with me. Can I have a white shirt, please? Can I have a white shirt, please? Brake lights work. Brake lights work. Can you call a white shirt, please?
Okay, now I've told you why you.
Can you call a white shirt, please? I would like a white shirt from this point. I would like a white shirt at this point. Please have a white shirt. I would like a supervisor. Please, the proper term is supervisor to you. Can you please call a supervisor? Thank you, and please. Thank you. I keep my hands on the steering wheel because I'm not, I am very nervous in this situation. I believe you are the last person that pulled me over the last time over here for no reason. I have not done anything wrong.
You can come to my location, please.
And I hope it's a supervisor, please. I don't.
Why you've been stopped? I've got a supervisor on the way. Do you have a driver's license?
At this point, I will not answer any more questions and wait on your supervisor. At this point, my hands are on the steering wheel. I'll keep it there. My engine's off. I'm not doing anything. I'm going to just wait on your supervisor. May I have one more question? May I have your name and badge number? Name and badge number, please.
My name's Counts. I've already introduced myself when I walked up here.
All right. Thank you for all your information, sir. Now, at this point, I'll use my Fifth Amendment.
You're not under arrest, nor are you being charged with anything other than.
I'm being detained for a false traffic violation for no reason. You said my lights don't work. You can step back there. I can press my brakes. You can see my lights.
Okay. Still have to present your driver's license.
I'm gonna wait on your white shirt, sir. At this point, I'm not saying any more words.
All right. So, regardless of whether he gets here or not, you've been stopped. I've actually given you a reason. I've given you everything you requested. You have to ID yourself. Failure to ID yourself is obstruction.
Everything's right here.
I need you to present me your driver's license.
I would just like to wait on the white shirt, please.
Okay, go ahead and step out of the car.
I would like to wait on the white shirt, please. Hopefully you do not do it in force and do any negative things to me because I asked for proper acknowledgement. You just call for backup. Can we wait on backup? I don't want anything to go escalate, please. I don't want to escalate. I don't want to be in any type of situation. It's a crazy climate. I'm going to show you right here at this point. That's me.
Move your fingers.
That's me.
Birth, please.
That's me.
Great.
Right there. That's me. Right there. You see who I am. I have my legal documentation. I showed it to you. Now we're going to wait on your supervisor. Once again, everything right here.
What's your date of birth? Can you hold it up here one more time? Is that a no?
So this has been the biggest question lately as more and more people start to exercise their rights. Do police have to tell you the reason for pulling you over? If you jump on Google and type that in, all you get is a bunch of inconclusive answers. Some lawyers say yes, while others say no. Most police departments do in fact have a policy where police must articulate the reason for conducting a traffic stop to the person they are detaining. So the obvious question now is, does the Tulsa Sheriff implement this policy? Stay tuned at the end of the video to find out. While the legality side is up for debate, there is one thing that is clear, and that is this deputy has an ego problem. Once he started to get questioned about his actions, it seemed as though he froze up and didn't know what to say. Maybe his supervisor can help with that and hold his hand right here. So, let's get back to the video.
Hey, sir.
How you doing? You a sergeant?
Yep.
How you doing? Here you go. I'm gonna give you everything because he pulled me over for no reason. Have it on camera. I caught it on camera as soon as I walked out my father's building. Every time there's an officer sitting at Pioneer Plaza, because I help my dad. He's handicapped. Right. I gotta come back and forth and help him. Every time there's an officer up there, they always target me when I'm leaving. This is the second time. Okay. I asked why I'm being pulled over. I followed every traffic law. He said my brake lights and then the windshield. Okay. Partial incident, basketball, you know, it happens.
Yeah,
but
the windshield is a PC for pulling you over.
I can understand that. Yeah. But, you know, came with a tough guy attitude. Put me in hey, I don't want no trouble.
Right.
I just want a white shirt or a sergeant, if what you call it, okay? Yeah. I just flashed my lights to show that.
From up north.
Huh?
You must be from up north.
I'm from here.
Oh, really?
I'm from here.
I just white shirts are normally like Indianapolis.
Well, you know, it's just a term. That's just what I say. You know, that's it. That's it. Like I said, you got my information. My name is Ricky Beeks. For this whole year, I have been just dragged through the mud. Okay, right. I'm going through enough trouble as it is for no reason over my own weapon. You know, so I ain't got time for more issues. I already have $1,000 tickets.
Well, just reference, not, and we may not just, I don't know if you're just talking about us or whether it's TPD or just any local.
No, it's both. It's both. Okay. I'm sorry, it's both.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Yes.
But your windshield may get you pulled over quite often.
I never got pulled over. All the times I've been pulled over this whole year, they never said an issue, nothing. Yeah. They just always try to hit me for my brake lights.
Well, I'm just going to let you know.
I'm just saying. I understand. Cool. Yeah.
The critical, what they consider critical area is anywhere that the windshield wipers touch. And so if you have a crack, like if you had a crack, we'll say up here.
Yeah. Pretty much it's not, I get you, not obscuring your vision where if the
windshield wiper clean.
I get you. So, yeah, understandable. And like I said, I can get that fixed. That's nothing, like that's no problem. But I'm just tired of being harassed, man. At this point, I'm being harassed. I got so much video, so much evidence. I record everything now. I'm just done with it. You know.
Give me just a moment.
Okay.
Mr. Beeks, do you feel comfortable enough to step out here so I can talk to you?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay.
No, sir, I don't.
Well, it's kind of hard for me to show you what I'm talking about while you're in there.
If
If your brake lights do work, which I maintain that at least this passenger side does not.
they work, I'm
Those dark
guaranteed.
covers on there.
It's just the dark covers. That's all it is.
Okay, well, you need to change them. That's actually a violation of Title 47 as well. Having covers over your lights.
It's not literally a cover. It's tint. It's meant for the lights. It's light tint. You can buy it at a store. It's meant for it.
And if I'm up here, in which I came up here, I introduced myself to you when I first came up here, and you have your driver's license and insurance in your hand, is it not just easier when I ask for it?
Is it not just easier at telling me what the reason for pulling me over is instead of wasting time and trying to find a reason?
But I told you what the reason was.
No, you didn't.
I
You
have
first
a
when
reason to pull you over. I don't manufacture this stuff.
we can go back on video when you first walked up. I asked, why am I being pulled over? You seen I have my ID and my insurance ready to give it to you.
Yeah, so
I just want to know. I
what
even
you're
repeated
confused
it to
why
you.
can't just hand it to
Sir, I'm not trying to overly match you. I just want to go home. Okay. Now when I had it in my hand and I repeatedly said, I just want to know why I'm being pulled over, and I will give it to you. No problem. No problem. Okay? Why am I being pulled over? You just kept like you trying to think of a reason. Okay? I'm sorry, but that's my perspective of it.
Okay.
That's mine. Okay? We're going to have different perspectives. Okay?
Well,
but far from here, if the tenant, if it's too dark, I'll make sure I get it right. If it's my window, I'll make sure I get it right. If you're going to write me a ticket, go ahead, because by the time I go to court, it'll be fixed, all right? And that's all I can say. I'm just at this point tired of being harassed. Sergeant, I thank you. You know, you're a cool guy. What's your name again?
Young 20, we're 10-4.
Well, what's your name again?
I'm Streeter.
Streeter, you're a cool guy. I like how you came up with, it's a B-bite. I like how you came up, like calm, professional. I love it. Like, it's cool. You made me feel safe, but I kind of don't like how you did it, sir. All right. And just from this point,
we all have our different ways. I mean, there's a lot of times as you're giving the license, most will start telling you why we're pulling you over. It's kind of a simultaneous type thing, kind of like, explaining.
I get you. But
and your tail lights, even tag lights, all that stuff has to be able to be seen from at least 50 feet minimum.
Okay.
And with the dark tint over it, especially due the daytime like this, you may not see it. It's hard to see, or you can't see it.
Okay.
50 feet away.
I can get it. But like I said, once again, if it's that much of an issue, I'll get it fixed. There's no problem.
Well, I mean,
but it's just
the
the added
reason he pulled you over, but it's not a big issue.
Okay, and I get that, but still, it is an issue when I request the thing. Like the law that I learned was you're entitled to what you did, right? Like you got to know what you did, right?
And he will tell you.
Okay, but
he or any other deputy will tell you. But I will tell you, there is nothing that states that I have to tell you before you give me your license.
Well, I guess we read two different books,
okay,
we can agree to disagree.
We're not ever going to come up and ask for it and then sit there and turn around and walk away.
Yeah, I just need to know why. Like, I just don't get why you want to, why you want to just point the finger. That's all I'm saying.
Then I would definitely ask for a supervisor.
Okay, exactly.
10%, whether it's us, TPD, another state, if they come up here and ask for it and you give it to them and they walk off, I'd definitely be asking for a supervisor.
Yeah, okay? I can get it. But like I said, I've been in too much situations this year. I'm going to just take it the safe route, how I feel is safe for me. Okay. And I'm going to just leave it at that. Streeter, thank you. I really appreciate it, man. All right. And if you're going to give me anything, I'll take it. I'll handle my business. And hopefully we won't see each other again. That's all I want to say. Okay.
I would let you know that the actuality of that is if you're on a traffic stop and you are refusing to ID yourself, you have opened yourself up to be arrested for obstruction.
I can understand you. That's your opinion versus mine. If you're going to arrest me. That's all I can say. That's like I told you, we got two different opinions. So you can take your opinion. I'm going to take mine. I'm going to voice mine. You're going to voice yours. And which that would make us men. You feel me? All right.
Okay. Mr. Beeks, you're free to go.
All right. I've been free. Thank you.
And just like that, folks, all things get resolved and this driver doesn't end up with a ticket. People always say comply, and even the officer tried to justify his lack of answering by saying that all the driver had to do was hand over his paperwork. Yet if he would have just articulated the reason for the stop, like he just did, then this all would have been over quick and easy. Unfortunately though, this deputy needed his supervisor to hem him up and force him to do the right thing. Now I know you've all been waiting to know whether or not Tulsa Sheriff's Office implements the policy of articulating to the driver the reason for the traffic stop. If you try to Google it specifically, it will not pop up. But the Oklahoma government has put out guidelines for the people on what to do when pulled over by law enforcement. It states that an officer or deputy will inform you of the infraction you committed upon the interaction. It doesn't specify whether or not that is before or after giving your information though. So I guess we're just left with more questions than answers yet again. Big props to Lazy Boy for this video. Make sure you all head on over to his channel, subscribe, and I'll see you all over in his comments. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching.